Arirang Special.
It's just a phone call away. It's the famous and immensely popular jampong, spicy seafood noodle soup. The slick, chewy noodles are immersed in spicy broth and topped with a generous amount of seafood and vegetables.
아, 매워. 이것저것 비벼서 섞는 것을 짬뽕한다. 그리고 어처구니 없이 상황이 뒤섞이는 것을 웃기는 짬뽕 이렇게 얘기하잖아요. 우리나라 사람들의 짬뽕 사랑은 참 유별나죠.
A bowl is cleared in no time. Come rain or shine, we are always tempted to walk into a restaurant for a hot bowl of jampong. We are living in an age of jampong.
춥거나 좀 이제 비 오거나 좀 이제 그럴 때 가끔 먹어줘야 되는 음식인 것 같아요.
It's so familiar to Koreans that we begin to wonder, where did it come from? To find the source, we are here at Chinatown in Incheon. This is the birthplace of jjajangmyeon, black bean noodles. The streets look exotic with red signs and Chinese characters. And the smell of Chinese food lingers in the air. Just as we were thinking that the sign looked authentic, we see that the restaurant is full of customers. They are advanced in their years and seem to be regulars.
그냥 여기만 와줘요. 그냥 저절로. 저희 집으로 그냥 내 집에 가는 거 그냥 우리 집에 가는 거 그냥 이거 와줘요.
나 오기 전부터 있었으니까 한 60년, 100년 다 됐네. 할머니, 할아버지가 오래되셨는데.
Come to think of it, this restaurant is 100 years old.
이쪽에는 이제 1대, 그리고 2대, 이제 이분은 이제 3대. 1905년도부터 시작했거든요. 그래가지고 그때 당시는 이제 산동회관이라고 했었거든요. 이제 화교들이 많잖아요.
네.
그리고 나서 이제 1912년도에 이제 공화춘이라는 이름으로 바뀐 거죠. 중국에서는 그 짬뽕 이름이 아니고 이제 차오마면이라고 이름을 그거 불렀거든요. 고기만 갖다가 볶아 야채하고 볶은 거고, 이제 지금의 짬뽕은 고기랑 이제 오징어, 새우 같은 거 있잖아요. 섞어서 이제 종합해가지고 만드는 짬뽕. 그리고 또 고춧가루도 들어가고.
Chomamyeon is said to be the original form of jampong. But instead of the red spicy broth, this has a milky white broth. They also make Korean-style jampong with a broth the color of deep red poppies. Let's compare the Chinese chomamyeon and Korean jampong.
짬뽕을 먹을 때 확실히 매콤하니까 땀이 쫙 나가서 진짜 그 먹은 것 같은 느낌 있잖아요. 우리나라 사람들 좋아하는. 야, 좀 잘 먹었다. 맛있겠다.
The milky white noodles of the chomamyeon are swirled around with chopsticks and slurped up into his mouth. We wonder what it tastes like.
맑은 탕의 느낌이 있으면서 고유 국물에 면을 볶아서인지 그리고 저는 이게 굉장히 또 새롭네요.
The two faces of jampong. It's time to begin its story. Qingdao is a city in eastern Shandong province of China. We've come a long way, so we should start off by relieving our thirst. Qingdao is a refreshing beer influenced by German beer. The alcohol takes effect, and people are having a good time.
낙천적인 것 같아요. 뭐랄까 낭창낭창하다 그럴까 여유가 있어요. 그리고 약간 화끈하기도 하고 낯설지가 않아요.
Qingdao's traditional market has everything. The streets are lined with stores. It's a friendly sight. China is heaven for noodle lovers. There are noodle restaurants wherever you go. "17,000 years ago, wheat was grown for the first time in Southwest Asia. But China was the first country to grind the wheat into a fine powder to make noodles. The noodles are diverse as China is vast.
我们现在是有一种鸡蛋面、豆面的，这带有手擀面，还有那个打卤面。这一种是菠菜加鸡蛋的挂面，鲜的没有了，这刚有干的了，这回是。前一冷涮火锅做干的，就是有宽的有细的都有那种。
면이라고 하면 뭐 물론 국수라든가 생면, 라면 뭐 이 정도만 있잖아요. 우동. 근데 여기는 이 같은 게 마른 면에도 종류가 다양하고 그게 뭐 써는 방법, 뽑는 방법에 따라 뭐 동그란 거, 납작한 거, 이렇게 이런 거 이렇게 무슨 계란 껍질 같은 면까지 굉장히 다양해요.
The Chinese love noodles as much as Koreans love rice.
我记得我小的时候就这个样，从小就这样，家里父母也是这样吃，有时候晚上也吃，早晨也吃。
Because of the long history of noodles, there are hidden masters everywhere. Today, we're going to learn from a master of hand-pulled noodles.
同学，咱上课啊。今天呢，我们这个老师表演是春面，对吧？春面咱同学从来没做过啊，你要注意老师手法，对吧？两脚分开，一前一后，然后呢，哎，推起，单拳一定要进去，对吧？哎，春面，是吧？哎，这，哎，很漂亮的春。
제이스. 예.
Students are hardly ever as great as their teachers. He looks awkward pulling the noodles.
자,
He hands over the dough to his classmate.
오. 여기
He seems to have a little more experience.
中国的文化非常的짧아지，毕竟是学生嘛，一时接触不了。
이게 보이죠? 옷도 근사하게 차려입고 제대로 한번 면을 뽑아보겠습니다.
At first, it looked as if Bob was showing off his hidden skills in front of the great master.
계속 돌려서
But for some reason, the noodles are becoming shorter instead of longer.
나도 짧아지고 있어.
With a few flicks of the master's hands, the noodles become long and thin like dragon whiskers.
아니 아까 이게 이거였는데 분명히 이렇게 지금 나 아무리 해도 그냥 이 상태인데 아 교수님 진짜 존경스럽습니다. 이야 면이 실 같아.
这个我们这个中国人都可以用各种办法制作成包括像抻面、拉面，或者是拉条子等等这种面条的模式。那么随着这种人的迁移或者外来的流动，所以他把这种中国的传统的做法带到了，应该说到了世界各地。
Chomamyeon, the original jjampong, came from Shandong province. How are the noodles eaten here in China? Because names change along with the changing times and regions, Chomamyeon is called Taromyeon here in Shandong. China began to make chewy noodles around the 12th century in the southern Song dynasty. Their secret is this.
适应煎，然后放到这个面里边，它起发酵的作用，因为让面发硬，也香。
The sticky dough is rolled out with a rolling pin. But this looks strangely familiar.
우리 집은 수타로 한다. 이렇게 보통 자랑하는데 여기는 그런 방식이 아니라 밀어가지고 마치 그 우리식으로 말하면 칼국수 칼로 이렇게 자르네요.
瑜伽就是胶东瑜伽石板面，就是一般的乡下农村，家里就是一般是这种风味吧。
Now that the noodles are ready, it's time to make the broth. First, chicken and pork bones are boiled to brew a milky white broth. Clams are added to create more flavor. And various vegetables are chopped and stir-fried over a hot fire. The broth is then poured over the vegetables and simmered until the broth becomes thick. The care you put into cooking determines half the taste. The dish is completed at the hands of the chef who endures the heat. At last, we come face to face with the original jjampong.
일단 우리나라 짬뽕하고 가장 다른 게 매운 냄새가 전혀 안 나요. 달군 후라이팬에서 고기를 볶거나 야채를 볶았을 때 나는 냄새 있잖아요. 그 막 불 냄새. 그게 아주 강하게 나 있어요.
Taromyeon was a dish for the working class. The thick broth looks different from the Korean-style jjampong. How will the taste be?
这个面的主要的是这个海鲜和这个肉汤的鲜度出来了，这个吃嘴里呢它要香鲜，这个面呢也要筋道，你的口感才要好。
Qingdao is a city that overcame many obstacles throughout modern history due to the continuous invasions by Germany, Japan, and the US. Thousands left, unable to endure the famine and poverty. The food they took along with them provides a small clue to the origins of jjampong. We have come to another city in China in search of the origins of jjampong, Xiamen, Fujian Province. It is the gate to Taiwan and a major port in China. It was an outpost for the Chinese who moved overseas. In Korea's port areas, it is easy to meet Chinese who are originally from Fujian Province. This is a fort at the top of Huli Mountain that overlooks the port. We can still see the cannons that came from Germany in the 19th century. When the Opium War ended in 1840, the port of Xiamen was forced open. Cannon drilling demonstrations are still held to this day. When the ports opened and thousands of Chinese went abroad, their food cultures went along with them on the boats. Mr. Peng Yiwan will be showing us a local specialty, roasted meat noodle soup.
这边是用这样的碱面，长毛把鸡肉的噻，啊你这个下去搞熟了以后，那边呢把一些肉丝掺下去，另外放下清汤。那当然了，这个闽南习惯就是还要吃一些什么，这是青菜，像这个等等我们青菜可以看得到，可以看得到出来。这就是最后肉丝在上头，肉丝在上头。
We can pick and choose the ingredients we want to add to the noodles.
它最可爱就是汤
The noodles are yellow and thin. It slides down our throats as soon as we take a bite.
이 고기 맛과 그다음에 요 숙주, 그다음에 야채 이런 것들이랑 정말 조화가 참 좋은 것 같아요. 그리고 면도 굉장히 탱글탱글해요.
因为厦门这个地方就是说，因为是一个华侨的出入境口岸，所以呢，很多华侨回来，在去之前呢就吃这样的面呢，因此就把这个带到异国他乡，比如带到韩国，到了日本，到了南洋各国，当然也到了台湾，所以因此到了那边去的时候啊，可能他家里煮就是那个一个模式，但是后来人家看人吃的人多了，好怎么办？
As we trace the origins of jampong, we realize that it's based on home meals.
你好，你好，반갑습니다. 你好.
This is a family with 3 generations living together: a grandfather, a couple, and 2 children. Wondering what they're eating, we take a peek into their kitchen. The wife is making roasted meat noodle soup. The ingredients are prepared and stir-fried.
有的可以加虾，或者是鱼丸、肉丸之类、黄瓜之类的，都可以。
Noodles are added to the clear broth, along with fresh vegetables. She is showing off her cooking skills today. At last, the roasted meat noodle soup is done. Being far away from home, Bob misses his family and their laughter. The sound of noodles being slurped up is like being back at home.
확실히 탕로 쓰면은 시작부터가 서민들을 위한 요리가 아닌가 싶어요. 왜냐하면 일단 간단하고요. 그다음에 있는 여러 가지 재료, 그때 재료로 다 만들 수가 있고, 그다음에 맛있고, 게다가 뭐 야채나 고기나 또 재료가 많이 들어가니까 또 건강도 좋고 든든하고 맛은 다르고 재료는 다르고 또 하는 방법은 조금씩 달라져도 짬뽕은 바로 우리 보통 사람들을 위한 음식. 이거는 변함이 없는 것 같아요.
Since Bob the illustrator was served a bowl of noodles, he pays for lunch with an illustration.
어머니, 우리 아버지, 요거는 학교 간 딸, 얘는
쎄쎄.
맞습니다. 谢谢.
好，谢谢。
In 1883, the iron-tight closed-door policy of Korea was finally lifted. Incheon's Cheomilpo port became the gateway through which modern civilization entered. The port is 120 years old, and we can see the traces of history in every street, going through turbulent times, such as the Sino-Japanese War, the determination of immigrant Chinese to live gave birth to foods such as the jampong. They were jumbled up together like the word jampong, creating a new taste. For the past 100 years, jampong has gone through many changes and has ended up on our table. The diverse taste is the reason why jampong has become so popular. We are now in Busan. The color is anything but ordinary. They use black rice to make the dough instead of flour. It's a well-known fact that black rice is good for your health. Their noodles have considered factors such as nutrition and absorption and have become Busan's famous specialty. The black rice noodles are boiled and washed in cold water, creating a nice, chewy texture. But that's not all. They add lots of seafood and make it spicy. The generous amount of noodles indeed deserve to be called the Emperor. This is the amazing seafood black rice jampong. Bob is at a loss for words.
여기는 그 흑미 그 약간 그 쌀 맛이야. 살짝 약간 뭐 고소하다 그럴까? 흑미 냄새가 살짝 곁들여져 있어요. 거기다가 예, 각가지 해물이 들어있으니까 마치 그 해물탕에 약간 밥을 비벼 먹는 듯한 느낌 있잖아요.
Now we have come to Jeonju, the home of pansori. We're here to taste some jampong. One look at the jampong makes everyone's mouth water. But it looks like any other jampong.
덜 맵고 좀 저도 부담이 좀 안 가는 편이어가지고 괜찮다고 먹었거든요. 그냥 짬뽕은 맵고 먹고 나면은 좀 입이 느끼하고 이러거든요. 근데 된장 짬뽕은 좀 담백하다고 해야 되나?
This is soybean paste jampong, which is a specialty in Jeonju. Various ingredients are stir-fried as well. But in the middle of boiling the broth, the chef goes to the back. So this is where he keeps his secret ingredient. The secret to this recipe is adding a ladle full of soybean paste when boiling the broth. The spicy broth becomes more flavorful with the soybean paste, and it tastes amazing. The flashy moves of this chef show us that he too is a great master. Now that we've seen white broth and red broth, it's time to take a look at cream jampong, made with fresh cream. It looks like cream pasta, but this really is jampong. The white creamy sauce is popular among the ladies.
짬뽕 먹고 싶은데 스파게티도 먹고 싶어요. 그럴 때 크림 짬뽕 먹으면 되게 맛있고.
짬뽕하면 매운맛만 있다고 생각을 하는데 크림 짬뽕 같은 경우에 좀 부드러운 맛이 들어가서 여성분들이 좋아하는 짬뽕이 됩니다.
Jampong has evolved, crossing the borders from east to west. This time, the jampong noodles come together with Korea's favorite dish, bulgogi. Spicy jampong broth with plenty of seafood is topped with bulgogi, creating the ultimate flavor. Crossing over the Genkai-Nara Sea, we arrive at Nagasaki. The people are excited about a festival. The Nagasaki Kunchi Festival is held every September 9th of the lunar calendar. It has been celebrated for 370 years. The Portuguese first set foot here around 1620. and Nagasaki became the gateway into Japan.
여긴 나가사키의 짬뽕 유명하다더니 이렇게 아예 포장해서 파네요. 네, 나가사키 명물 짬뽕. 야, 짬뽕맨 데스까?
はい、そうです。
ここで手作りですか？
はい、手作りですね。これ
あ
は一度沸騰したお湯の中に茹でて、それから水洗いして野菜をこんな風に炒めて、でこれ入れて。
あ。
Shikairo, a Chinese restaurant here in Nagasaki, opened in 1899. An entire floor of the restaurant is a jampong museum. This was where the Nagasaki champon was born.
これが私のひいおじいさんになります、初代の陳平禅です。あとは当時ちゃんぽんを食べさせてあげた留学生たちですね。と一緒に写ってる写真。
Mr. Chin Hae-jun from Fujian Province, China, earned money by selling fabric since he was 19. With it, he opened an inn and Chinese restaurant.
ちゃんぽんというのはですね、一皿で、一つの丼で食事が完了するということで作りました。中身を言うと麺は太くって腹持ちがいいように。で野菜っていうのは栄養になります。それから魚介類、これは長崎ですので、たくさん取れてましたので、これで栄養バランスを取るということで、ちゃんぽんっていうのが、いっぱいのお皿の中に全部入ってくるわけですね。
The taste of the noodles hasn't changed since the day the restaurant opened. At first, it was called China Udon, or Chinese udon. It was inspired by the roasted meat noodle soup he had eaten in Fujian Province. It was a cheap and nutritious dish for poor Chinese students and laborers at the docks, so they could eat their fill.
고맙습니다. 너무 맛있어. 너무 맛있어. 원래 짬뽕의 기능이 있거든요. 해장을 한다거나 좀 칼칼하게 먹는 그 느낌은 그대로 살아 있어요. 너무 느끼하지도 않고. 사장님 정말 너무 맛있게 먹었습니다.
A dish which the poor could eat to their fill. In a way, jampong represents generosity.
유학생들이 와서 거기서 음식을 해물이 풍부히 들어간 국수를 먹고 있는 걸 보는데 중국어를 이해 못하는데 중국말이 들리는 게 주로 들리는 게 첩폰 그러니까 그 말은 실제 그 당시 복근성 말로는 밥을 먹는다는 뜻이에요. 그 말을 듣고서 잠폰이라는 말로 자기들이 음식 이름을 일본인들이 개발한 것인 거예요.
Nagasaki has one of the most diverse landscapes in the world. Trams run through the city's streets, and temples that are hundreds of years old and modern Western buildings coexist. This is because of Nagasaki's 500-year-old history. In 1603, Tokugawa Ieyasu founded the Tokugawa shogunate, whose foreign policy was isolationism. But Nagasaki was an exception. Instead, the shogun created an artificial island called Dejima. It housed Dutch merchants and was used as a trading post. For 200 years, the artificial island was Japan's only port for foreign trade. This is a miniature model of Dejima Island before it was reclaimed in 1904. The noodles were greatly influenced by China. Unlike the udon, the noodles itself are very chewy. This is because of the salt water used to make the dough.
長崎ちゃんぽん皿うどん、これも東亜使ってる。これ色がむしろ熱を変えるとこんな黄色くなるんです。でこれが独特の香り風味を出すんですね。長崎の本場ですよね。これはちゃんぽん皿うどんは。だから長崎ちゃんぽん、長崎皿うどん、これが正式な名前。長崎だけにしかない。全国今長崎から全国で送ってる。
Unlike Japanese udon, Chinese noodles are yellow and have a slightly sour scent and a piquant flavor. It changed the landscape of Japanese noodle dishes during modernization. The highlight of the Nagasaki Kunchi Festival is the parade with a dragon that breathes smoke. The East and West coexist in the city of Nagasaki. Like its various ingredients, champon is the culmination of various histories and is a dish that perfectly suits the history of Nagasaki, which absorbed both Western and Eastern cultures for 500 years. Since champon is so famous, there are over 1,000 champon restaurants in Nagasaki.
日本のうどんとかの出汁だったら、カツオとか、昆布とかで出汁を取るんですけど、中国式だったらもう豚骨とか鶏ガラで取りますね。でうちはもう鶏ガラで取ってます。
This noodle dish was created by Chinese immigrants. The noodles, that are mixed with stir-fried vegetables, seafood, and pork, and eaten with broth, have been a part of Nagasaki's history for a long time. Nagasaki champong is made with a light broth. Bob's chopsticks move faster.
국물 맛, 육수 맛이 굉장히 고소하게 딱 느끼는 맛이 고기 국물에 굉장히 고소하다.
When Nagasaki became a free port in 1859, Western traders descended upon this small city. They built modern buildings on top of a hill that overlooked the port and began to implant their way of life. Around this time, Puccini wrote the opera Madame Butterfly against the backdrop of Nagasaki. Nagasaki's shippoku is just as famous as its champong. It's a mixture of Japanese-style Chinese and Western dishes, a very Nagasaki-like cuisine.
ポルトガル人の料理がまであったんですね。次にはね、オランダの料理が入ってくるんです。そのちょうど中華1600年頃からね、中国の船、それがね、中国といってもね。
For 500 years, as Japan's first open port, Nagasaki was infused with Eastern and Western cultures. The various cultures from different countries were transformed into a Japanese style, which were reflected in their tables. We're now at an early morning fish market. People are bidding competitively for the best products. Food develops with the region's history, culture, and climate. Diverse seafood makes our tables all the more abundant. We stopped by the famous Obama, a famous hot spring resort in Unsan, Nagasaki.
あ、失礼します。はい、ちゃんぽんセットありますか?
The Obama champong is just as famous as the hot spring. The fresh seafood that was caught in the nearby sea adds to the flavor.
で訳してもらうんですよ。わからないから。小浜の地域では殻付きのちゃんぽんが取れるのでシーズンで取れるのでそれを使ってます。はい。でそのまま殻付きのまま食べれますので。
Seafood makes the broth more flavorful. We are still on the road as the sun sets, and we're happy to see the lights of a restaurant sign. This is a 60-year-old champong restaurant in Takeo, Kyushu. It has a very homey atmosphere.
野菜とか魚介類とかお肉とか全部取れるんですよね。だからそういう意味で言うとちゃんぽんはもう世界そのもの。
The champong here uses a generous amount of ingredients.
ちゃんぽんがこの町栄えてまして、でその初代の時の先代ですねが炭鉱夫にちょっとボリュームがある栄養を与えようと思って大盛りにしました。
The Takeo champong that was made for miners not only tastes good, but is a good-sized portion as well.
면반 야채반. 면이 야채가 엄청 많아요. 딱 집으면 면은 저 깊숙이 있고 볶은 야채들이 엄청 많아요.
A dish that is a mixture of various ingredients. This is the spirit of champong. Since the 13th century, Fukuoka has been the doorway of civilization. Depending on where you set foot, your way of life and the food you eat change. Following the migration of culture, Chinese noodles that reached Fukuoka became commercialized into what we know today as ramen. Fukuoka is famous for its tonkatsu ramen, with a rich pork broth topped with pork. In a way, it's a brother to the Nagasaki champong.
1956년 이전에는 주로 중화면, 신라면이라는 말을 썼고요. 1956년에 인스턴트 라면이 개발되면서 라면이라는 브랜드가 이제 보편화시켜서 중화면, 신라면이라는 말들을 다 덮어버리고 라면이 된 거죠. 중국인 화교들이 만들었던 음식들을 응용하든지 개발해서 만들어진 것들이라고 이야기할 수 있죠.
The lights of the food stalls that light up the night of Fukuoka make the city even more beautiful. Yatai is a transportable food stall with a roof. It's a favorite spot for those who want to have a late-night snack. There's already a long line. Bob stands in line to wait as well.
この屋台が有名ですか?
この屋台は韓国の俳優のチャン・グンソクさんが
そう
2、3日前に食べに来たところで今コンサート終わって食べに来た!
After what seems like forever, Bob gets a seat. Yatai's menu has almost everything, including champong.
라면, 짬뽕. 라면 또 짬뽕.
Fukuoka's specialty, tonkatsu ramen, is served first.
우리 그 부산에서 먹는 그 돼지국밥 국물 있잖아요. 그거랑도 좀 비슷한 것 같아요, 맛이. 거기다가 이제 라면 넣고 또 파 듬뿍 나서 딱 그 맛이에요. 짭조름하면서 고소하고 그러다 파까지 곁들여서 아 정말 든든해요, 든든해.
辛さは何からでしましょうか?
이치반辛い. 레벨 5. ください. 제일 매운 걸로 달라고 그랬어요. 이 나가사키 짬뽕이나 다모치 여기서 먹은 짬뽕은 맵지가 않았거든요. 근데 여기는 매운 게 가능하다고 하고 그 단계가 있어요. 그래서 제일 매운 걸로 레벨 5 제일 매운 걸로 달라고 그랬어요. 야, 이거
The spicy aroma already makes your mouth water. Bob is trying the highest level of spiciness, which is, of course, way too hot.
이따이. 정말 오래간만에 매운 거 먹었던 느낌. 황홀해. 야, 왜 우리나라 사람이 결국 이 짬뽕에 고춧가루를 넣는지 알겠어요. 달라. 개운해. 아, 이 맛이야, 이 맛. 자.
He shares it with the other customers at the food stall so that they can have a taste. Spicy food is definitely not for everyone. But he was happy to see spicy champong at this food stall in Fukuoka. Jampong reflects the tastes of Korea, China, and Japan. The chomamyeon of Shandong province came to Korea, and the roasted meat noodle soup of Fujian province became Nagasaki's champong, which also influenced Korea's champong. Interestingly, it transformed into a spicy champong somewhere along the way. Then when exactly did champong become hot and spicy?
화교들이 중국 음식점을 운영하다가 1980년대 중반부터 이제 한국인들이 운영하게 되었죠. 그러면서 이제 중국인들 화교들이 제대로 만드는 짬뽕이 아니고 어떻게 보면 한국화된 짬뽕이 만들어지기 시작한 거고요. 그러다 보니까 이제 고춧가루가 굉장히 많이 들어가게 됐고요. 중국 화교의 손을 떠난 한국형 짬뽕이 한국인에 의해서 한국화되었다. 그렇게 이야기할 수 있는데.
Whether it wanted to or not, jampong was created through an endless exchange of tastes for the past 100 years. This has been the story of the jampong noodles of Korea, China, and Japan. We saw the Japanese jampong, which gave comfort to the lives of the common people, and the Chinese-style jampong, eaten in everyday life. Nothing beats spicy jampong when it comes to soul food after a long trip away from home. But the customers are having a hard time eating jampong. It must be really hot and spicy. But they still can't resist the temptation of the broth despite its spiciness.
안 매우면 약간 느끼해요. 동네에서 파는 짬뽕이. 근데 매우면 좀 덜 느끼한 것 같고.
양자가 아니에요.
근데 먹고 나면 또 나중에 개운해요. 이게 매운맛이 가실 때.
땀이 쭉 나요.
The chef uses a generous amount of Indian chili powder, which is also known as the devil's powder, and a lot spicier than Korean chili.
매운 음식을 드시면 눈물, 콧물, 땀 다 한바탕 흐르고 나면 몸이 개운하다 그래요. 그래서 아마 이 매운 음식들을
Exactly. It's spicy just looking at it. The broth boiling in the pot looks terrifying. At last, the devil's jampong is complete. Since Bob already tasted the highest level of spicy jampong in Fukuoka, he cannot back down now.
혀가 잘라지는 거. 되게 희한한 거. 자꾸 젓가락을 안 놔. 이상하네.
After teary eyes, a runny nose, and a bucket full of sweat, people think it was a bowl well eaten. It's hard to resist, and we'll probably be back. We have traced the history of jampong in Korea, China, and Japan. For 100 years, it has been a food that gave comfort to the people, and will continue to do so in the next century.